Hello everyone, Jeremy and Gus here from Flatware Creations. I just wanted to show you what came out of my tumbler just a few minutes ago. I think I've posted the video on using the step bits to get the same size hole and the little trick that I use for that. But these are all blanks for my coat hooks or towel hooks. I'll make the heads all squiggly and stuff, or the tines, and then this part here will get bent up, so we'll have its hook. But just real quick, I wanted to show you what came out. I just tossed in a giant load of spoons and forks that we'll be using for wind chimes coming up in the next couple of days. I will try and get the video made for the kangaroo, and I will see what I can get done as soon as possible. So I hope everyone has a great night. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and you can follow our links to our Facebook, Instagram, and Etsy, and I hope everyone has a good night. Say bye, Gus. Say bye. Say bye. Bye-bye.